Hey guys, it's Casey with Punky Hair Color. I'm here to tell you about Color Off. So it comes with the activator and a little spatula to really get out all the activator product, 20 volume developer, sponges and a brush to apply. This really cool brush has a comb and a brush. And then also it comes with a hair mask to apply afterwards. And it also comes with these plastic gloves. So let's get started. So as you can tell, I have semi-permanent hair color in right now. It's fading. So first we're going to apply our gloves. Make sure you protect your hands. So you're going to use 1 part activator and 1 part developer, and there's a really convenient line on the side of the bottle that says 1 application right here. So you're gonna use about half of the bottle and stop right at that line. You put the activator in first. Just go ahead and put it all in your mixing bowl. Just make sure you have the activator all out, all in the bowl, and then next I'm gonna add the developer. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. So I'm gonna start with my bangs first. I'm gonna use the end of this brush. Make sure all of my bangs are out. And we're gonna go ahead and dip into the product. Okay, so make sure you saturate all the hair. So I just dipped into the product and we're going to put it onto the hair. You can use the comb part to really comb the product into your hair. This brush is really convenient. So it's going to take about 10 to 40 minutes to lift. All right, so I just finished up this side, and as you can see, it's already lifting. It's working so fast. And then we're gonna go ahead and start on the other side. Alrighty, so as you can see, it's already lifting, so we're gonna give it about 5 more minutes and then we're gonna rinse it off. I just got done rinsing the color off out of my hair and blow dried it, and as you can tell, it did exactly what it was supposed to do. Got all the color out and made me blonde again. I put on the Intra Bond hair mask to repair my hair. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.